Hey everybody, Vortex Garage here with a really quick video update, and wanted to talk a little bit about draining compressors. A lot of people don't drain their compressors very often, and I've been seeing a lot of posts online about people saying, oh, I just drained it after a year. And hey, I've been that person before, so I know where you're coming from. But I wanted to share with you this cool little thing that's hanging off here. This is a pull cord drain plug. Let me try to get down here and show you. You can kind of see it there. And I've got this pan that sits underneath. This thing's really cool. I don't have to climb underneath with a wrench or anything like that and loosen my drain plug, and I don't have to wait for all the air to be out. You can see I've still got some pressure in this. It's been off for a little while. And I can literally just take this and pull it. And I'll do it down here so you can see. And it lets any of the water that's in out into the pan. So just like that. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll do that at the end of the day, just kind of letting any water out that's condensed in. And then I'll do it again when I let the pressure drop all the way down. And I'll do that to release any more water that's in it. It's a nice piece. They're really cheap. You can get them on Amazon, a lot of tool websites as well. They're basically, I don't know what you call them. It's like a pull, it basically releases the air as it pulls sideways. But look for a pull cord drain plug. And it's nice. It's got a nice long cord, so I don't have to bend down. I just keep it over this handle right here, so it's readily accessible. Just come here and like that. Drained. All done. So don't forget to drain your compressor if you haven't in a while. Like I said, I've been that person, so I know where you're coming from. And this will make it a lot easier to do it in the future.